People have long accepted snow, ice, frozen rivers, and winter landscapes as unquestionable truth. Poets taught us, painters confirmed it, and history books sealed that belief. But what if we learned it all wrong? What if the real mystery lies not in what artists painted, but when and how those scenes came into existence? We say, just look at the paintings, winter has always been like this. So now, let's really look. First evidence, the 1871 painting, A Strange Winter. We think of Theodore Vasiliev's painting, as a typical winter scene. But a closer look reveals. Black small square, only 15 to 20 centimeters of snow. Black small square, the river isn't fully frozen. Black small square, people's clothing suggests winter arrived suddenly. Black small square, trees in the distance still have leaves, unusual for winter. Black small square, an unnatural number of birds. This wasn't a December, January winter. It was a late autumn pretending to be winter. Second evidence, Savrasov's The Rooks Have Arrived. We're taught in school that rooks arrive in March. But in the painting we see black small square, almost no snow. Black small square, green grass. Black small square, huge pools of melted water. Weather records from the 1880s say March was extremely cold back then. Savrasov's painting captures an unusually warm spring, more like April, May, not March at all. So was winter in the 18th to 19th centuries actually this short and mild? A strange timeline. Before 1860, winter was practically missing. Arrange the paintings chronologically and something astonishing appears. Before 1860, winters were weak, European, and almost snowless, ***. Then suddenly, like flipping a switch, harsh, deep Russian winters begin. Examples: Black small square, 1891, Surakov's Snow Town, massive snow depth. Black small square, 1897, Yuliy Clever's forests drowning in snow. Black small square, 1875, Shishkin's First snowfall arriving almost in February. These are not coincidences. This was the birth of a new winter. Third evidence, photography, where lies can't hide. A painter can imagine anything. A camera cannot. In thousands of photographs taken before 1860, there is no winter. Streets, horses, people, houses, everything is there. Except snow. The official explanation: photography couldn't be done in the cold. But reality says. Black small square, in 1856, photos were taken underwater. Black small square, lightning, tornadoes, everything was photographed. Black small square, so why didn't anyone shoot snow from behind a window? Because there was no snow. And then, in the 1880s, snow-filled winters suddenly appear in photographs. Winter literally arrives inside the camera. Fourth evidence, ancient maps, even the 21st century can't explain them. In 16th century Jenkinson maps of Siberia, we see black small square, people wearing light clothing. Black small square, warm climate. Black small square, caravans full of camels. Siberia once felt like a desert. Meanwhile, ancient African maps show black small square, river-rich regions. Black small square, dense forests. Black small square, settlements. Black small square, fertile soil. The Sahara was once a green continent. There is only one explanation. Earth's polar regions once existed in different locations. A polar shift means the entire climate map changes. Fifth evidence, 19th century historical art is full of errors. Statues, monuments, paintings from that era are filled with inaccuracies. Black small square boyars are shown with troikas, yet troikas were invented in the 18th to 19th century. Black small square hundreds of statues show common people wearing crosses, though before 1742 commoners were not allowed to wear crosses. Black small square artists painted old Russia using modern Russian clothing and aesthetics. This proves they didn't know the real past. They were creating a new version of history. Now the question, why did the world suddenly change around 1860? There are two possibilities. A massive natural disaster, Earth's axis shifted. Or a controlled, deliberate intervention. What we call global warming today may not be warming at all, but the planet returning to its earlier warm state. The shadow of the nuclear age. In the 1950s-60s, the largest nuclear explosions in history occurred. They released millions of tons of dust, creating years of nuclear winter-like cold. This is exactly 100 years after the strange cold period of the 1860s. Coincidence? Maybe not. Some researchers believe these explosions were intentionally cooling the Earth. But why? All mysteries lead to Antarctica. Antarctica's ice is melting rapidly. If that ice is recent, then what lies beneath it? Black small square ancient cities. Black small square lost civilizations. Black small square forbidden technology. Black small square the true shape of human history. Perhaps that truth was deliberately buried beneath ice. And winter was the curtain hiding it. Now that curtain is melting. And history is beginning to reveal itself again. Conclusion. This investigation teaches us something remarkable. Art, maps, photography, and geography all point to the same idea. The Earth was once different. And the history we know may be edited, reconstructed, or hidden. So are we witnessing a natural cycle? Or are we part of a centuries-long secret experiment? One whose real purpose is to hide the true history of the Earth. And that truth may soon emerge from beneath the ice.